You won't believe what just happened. I have found 5 amazing job openings and certification in tech. You can take the course, get certified, and then you can start applying. If you're already a professional in your field, then this is even better because you can start clicking on the link and apply immediately. This doesn't cost a dime. If you would like to start earning from about $60,000 to $40,000, then I suggest that you tighten your seatbelt and let's get right into it. This is the first role. Please note that I will be dropping all the links in my description box, so you don't need to be scared or worry about you applying to this job. So this is a web designer job, so a website designer, and it is by MailerLite. MailerLite is an email marketing platform. What this means is that you will be their website developer. So now they are showing you what you work on. You translate your creative ideas and design into functional code, regularly enhance the website design, work closely with the development team, and just like a bunch of things that you'll be doing. And they say what we expect from you. You have worked as a UI UX designer, you are adept at using Figma. If you don't have all these certifications, don't worry at all, because in my description box I will be listing the description of places you can get this certification. So this role is a $4,000 to $60,000 job, and I don't need to talk about how lucrative this is. You just need to get certified and you can just apply to this job. So yeah, they are introducing you to the team lead. So I'm going to click on apply now. So when we get to this site, it's going to say website designer, 40 to 60,000 per year. You just have to fill out your information such as your name, email, and then there are questions that you have to answer, and also a video application method that you're using. So you need to really go through this website for you to understand how you can make your videos so that you can apply for this role as soon as possible. So yeah, they're giving you examples of what they expect you to do with the application. You upload your video recording and just other information they've listed on this website, and when you're done, you're going to click on the agreement form and then you can submit and apply for this job. The second role will be the role of a front-end developer at Coalition Technology. So this job will pay you about $31,000 to $72,000, and here they are telling you why you should apply for this role and what you should have before you'll be able to apply to this. So if you have this, you know you should apply, which includes certification, knowledge of some TML and other technical information, and they are informing you about your duties and how you'll be performing. And then you can apply for this job by typing in your name, your last name, your email, your preferred contact method, which can be email, phone number, Skype, and then other information. Then you upload your CV and then you upload your cover letter. This is very, very easy to apply, and you click on I'm not the robot and click on apply. This third job role is a product designer role, and it will pay you about $4,000 to $6,000 per month. So this is monthly. So each month you're earning $4,000 to $6,000, obviously depending on your qualification, your experience, and things like that. So yeah, they're saying what you will deliver, things you will do, and then I'm just going to click on apply. Let's get onto it. Let's see what we need. So when you get onto this place, it's very easy. You will type in your first name, your last name, email, skills. So in these skills like column, it means there are other skills that you've acquired. That is why I'm always big on you getting certification, and that is why I've listed certifications you need in my description box of this video. So you just need to click get certified in various skills that are related to what you have. So yeah, you can see they showed 3D animator, UX UI designer, and things like that. So I have all of that in the description box. Endeavor to click on them and get certified. So when you've uploaded your portfolio URL, you can generate your portfolio URL using Canva. So you just need to create your portfolio. After creating your portfolio, what you need to do now is to click on the link. There's a link you will copy after generating a document on Canva, and then you're good to go. The next job is AI video editor, and for this you can earn $4,000 to $8,000 a month. So yeah, they're saying what you'll be doing for them. You will edit and create engaging video content using AI tools and other AI platforms, and that is what they want. This is like one of the simplest job role I've seen so far. So now I'm going to read up on other things about about the role. We are seeking a talented AI video editor. That is simple. I'll click on apply, and then it will bring me onto this place where I have to click my first name, type in my last name, my emails, and skills that I have in this field. So now if you have a skill in 2D animator and 3D animating, it is very, very helpful here. So you can click on that, or any other skill that you are good at. So yeah, they're saying AI music producer. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to become a music producer or executive, I will put that up on the screen now so that you can click and watch that video. It is going to be helpful for this role. And after everything, you just have to upload your portfolio URL and then click on the submit button, and then you're good to go. The next job role is that of a visual UI designer. So here they are introducing what the role is about and what you'll be doing working for them as a brand, what you are going to be bringing to the table, what your day will look like. I love that they are describing everything for you, what they are looking for, so that you cannot say you don't understand. Also, they are saying what we offer you, so what they're going to be giving you as well. This is very important, and they said they're going to be paying you $2,000 per annum. So this is a very good pay. You can now grow from there as you move forward in your career. So here they are talking about their brand in general. These are information you just need to read up on to gain a good insight about the brand. So now we're going to apply with first name, last name, email, phone number, and then you upload your resume. Another thing with this is that you can apply for the job using your LinkedIn account. So if that's what is good for you, then you can go off and do that as well. So they're going to ask you other bunch of questions, where you schooled, information like that, vital information, and very technical information as well. So this is something that you need to calm down, go through them, and then write it out before you answer. After submitting your application for any of these jobs, then you need to open up your mind and wait for that confirmation email, that email that is going to say you are hired. That is the next thing after all of this. If you found this video very, very helpful, I would suggest that you subscribe, click that subscribe button, turn your notification, share this video to your friend. We do not gatekeep here, so we need other people to get this information, because these jobs are available right now, and I want serious people, serious men, serious women that are in tech who would want to take advantage of these opportunities. So click on the subscribe button so that next time you will get information about more videos like this. So I'll be dropping them as quickly as possible because I want people to apply. And until next time, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Leave those links in my description so you will get certified, and then you can build a career for yourself. Until next time, I love you as always. Bye bye.